71 K20 Chevy. T-Deco pinstriping, they have picked this in number 130. Join the Debbie Campbell for the 67th Camaro.
Oh, yeah. Might put those on something. Those halo things.
Thacker Bros at the car show, Heber Car Show. First car show that we've been to. 71 K20. Missing the grill. Been on order for a year now, but showing her off today. LS53. Nightfall gray, metallic paint, somewhat white. On a 4-inch lift. Everything we've done ourselves. Factory AC cab, factory tachometer. Relocated gas tank. A filler knob, filler nozzle.
You like a burrito or
What?
This is my high school truck. It's 1969 Chevy K20 that I restored with my dad and brothers. I'm gonna start it up and make it loud. This is a motor out of a 2006 Cadillac Escalade. It's a 6.0 LQ9. Got the transmission out of a 94 Chevy pickup. It's an MB 4500. 5-speed. We did all the work ourselves on it.
1971 3/4 ton grandpa's truck. 4-speed, all restored, reconditioned original dash, recovered the seat, replaced headliner, but other than that, most of everything is original. Mirrors are new, trim work was polished, front fender was replaced, it's too far gone. Original engine, 360. Replaced what was necessary, but kept everything original as possible. This is the family truck. It was my grandpa's truck. My dad ended up with it and restored it to what it is right now. So it's a fun one because it's got all kinds of memories attached to it. Things left in there from my grandpa, but definitely a keeper.
Every so often, I am so lucky I can talk to someone. How are you? We are the old guys. We need to sign 9.